Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your iPhone if you're unable to verify your Apple ID. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the settings of our iPhone if you've not already. So if you do not know how to open them up, you're just going to go to the home page of your iPhone right here and find the settings icon. From here you can go and tap on your settings icon. That's going to go ahead and open up this new settings menu of your iPhone. From where we can get started browsing all the settings we have. So basically guys, to fix the unable to verify Apple ID error, we are going to follow some basic troubleshooting steps. We are going to check Apple system status. The problem might be on Apple's end. So you're going to go and use your internet browser and visit the Apple system status page on another device to ensure all services, especially iCloud account and sign-in, are running smoothly and the problem isn't with Apple. If that is correct and it's running smoothly, then what you want to do is verify your network connection. So you can disconnect from your Wi-Fi network. Here you have your Wi-Fi network. You can then go and disconnect from and reconnect or try using a different Wi-Fi network if possible, and ensure that you have a stable mobile service data if you're using cellular data to see if the issue is network specific. So make sure to have a good internet connection. You want to disable any VPNs if you're using them, and you want to restart your iPhone to see if it's going to fix the problem. Even after restarting your iPhone, if you can still not verify your Apple ID even with a strong connection, what you're going to do is contact customer support of Apple. Contact customer support, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.